Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to prevent duplicate entries in Excel. Have you ever been working with a large spreadsheet and accidentally entered the same information twice? It's frustrating, wastes time, and can really mess up your data. But don't worry, Excel has some built-in tools to help you avoid these duplicate dilemmas. In this video, we'll cover three main methods. First, using data validation to restrict entries. Second, using conditional formatting to highlight duplicates as they're entered, and finally, using Excel tables and their built-in features. By the end of this video, you'll be able to choose the best method for your specific needs and create spreadsheets that are much cleaner and more reliable. So, if you're ready to streamline your Excel skills, stick around. And before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our helpful Excel tips and tricks. Also, if you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, it really helps us out. Okay, let's start with our first method, data validation. Screen recording showing Excel interface and demonstration of using data validation to prevent duplicate entries in a column. Detailed explanation of the steps involved. Now, let's move on to our second technique, conditional formatting. This method doesn't prevent duplicates outright, but it immediately highlights them as they are entered, allowing you to catch and correct them quickly. Screen recording showing Excel interface and demonstration of using conditional formatting to highlight duplicate entries in a column. Detailed explanation of the steps involved. Finally, let's explore how Excel tables can help with duplicate prevention. Tables offer some powerful built-in features that make managing and cleaning your data a breeze. Screen recording showing Excel interface and demonstration of using Excel tables to prevent duplicate entries, potentially showcasing data removal features or unique identifier columns. Detailed explanation of the steps involved. So there you have it. 3 different methods to help you prevent duplicate entries in Excel. We've covered data validation for restricting entries, conditional formatting for highlighting duplicates as they appear, and leveraging the power of Excel tables. Remember, the best method depends on your specific situation. If you need to completely prevent duplicates from being entered, data validation is your best bet. If you just want to quickly identify and correct duplicates, conditional formatting is a great option. And if you're working with structured data, Excel tables can offer even more control. Which method do you find most useful? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have any other Excel questions, feel free to ask. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching FixZone. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips, and we'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your spreadsheets.